Welcome to PC Mac. Today we are talking about another video editing tool that is free and you can use it to edit your YouTube videos and other stuff. So let's do it. Before we start, I would like you to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. It's free and you can just go ahead and click on the bell icon for my latest videos. So let's get started. First of all, let me take you to the website of the software. Let me just close this one, and the name of the software is Shotcut. You need to type it right here and open the website. When you click on downloads, it will give you all the information, like it's for Windows 7, Mac, Linux. So it's for all the operating systems available right now, so you can use it on any of the operating system that you have on your computer. You just need to check whether you're using a 64-bit operating system or you're using a 32-bit operating system. So I already downloaded the tool. You just need to go back and click here, click to download, and then you can easily download it from here, from any sources, any mirror like mirror 1 or mirror 2. Just click on it if you want an installer and it will start installing like this. Let me just go and cancel it because I already downloaded and installed it on my computer. So let me go ahead and show you the software. The software is right here, Shotcut. Let me open it. So the software will look like this when you install it on your computer. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to create the timeline by clicking here, and it will show us the timeline right here. Then we will create the playlist that will be right here. Now you need to click on these 3 bars and then add video track like this, and then add audio track. So video and audio tracks are here. So what you can do is go ahead and click on open file and provide the path. Let's just check this file, Avast and introduction and ending. Let me open it. Okay, so all the 3 files are right here. Let's move the first file to the timeline, that is Avast. The file is right here. Let's move it to the start. Our cursor is at the end, so we just need to move it to the start. Or you can just zoom in and zoom out the files from here. Let's just a little bit zoom in so we can easily work with the timeline. Yeah, we are on the start now. What we need to do, just go ahead and play to check whether it's playable or not. Welcome to PC Mac. Today we are talking about how we can get the Avast antivirus free for 1 year. So let's do it. So I normally cut it from here. Let me just go ahead and maximize it. So I made a cut here always, like at this place. First of all, open the Google Chrome and open the Avast. Do it. First of all, open the. Let's make a cut here. To cut the video, you need to click here, split. Now the file is cut in 2 parts. Let me just move it here and put the introduction. Let's join both of them. Try to play. For 1 year. Before we start, I would like you to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. It's free and you can just go ahead and click on the bell icon for my latest videos. I think I missed something. Let me just check. Yeah. Let's do it. Now that's good. We'll join it from here, and now we'll check here. That is it. Let's do it. Okay, so we'll move the cursor a little bit here. Open the Google Chrome and open the First of all, open the Google Chrome and so it's good now. Let me just show you. First of all, open the Google Chrome and open the Avast website by typing Avast. Now we'll go ahead and just increase the volume of this video, because as you can see the volume is quite low. So to do that, what we need to do is we need to add filters from here, then add, and then gain volume. You need to select the particular file to make these changes. We just need to increase it like this. I make it to 5.5 and then we will check. You open the website and let me just show you by minimizing it, and then we will check. As you can see, the volume is totally down. Let me just pause it and particular filter, because we added this, so let's just make some changes to 19.8. The file is downloading on the bottom left corner. As you can see, the sound is now high. Let me just take it to 15 and then check. So it's downloaded. Let me go ahead and install it. So you can increase or decrease your volume levels from here by using this filter. Let me just go back, close the filter from here, and let me try to add some music to this file. Open file, and then so just use this one or this one. So the music is right here now. Let me just move it to the bottom of the video. Let me move it to the end of this file. And as you can see, the volume levels are too high. So let's go to filter and then add a filter and gain volume. Let's just move it to -16 and then check. Google Chrome and open the Avast website by typing Avast. Now let's just make it a little bit more, 20, take it to 20. Now open the website and download free antivirus. Now as you can see, the volume levels are good. You can add the background music and change the soundtracks from here, and you can easily able to manage these files, Let's just copy paste it again. Now let's try to export the file and check whether we are able to export it or not. So the frame per second must be 30, and the format is MP4. Let's check the codecs. Everything, other settings are good. You need to put frame per second is 30 and the resolution is 1920 1080. So it's a high definition video. So let's go ahead and export the file to check whether it's working fine or not. Let's export into videos and type the name Avast. Save. So the process is going on the right side of your screen. As you can see, it's on 0%, so it might take some time. Then please wait. Now the export is finished. As you can see, it created a folder and the file with the name avast.mp4. Let's go ahead and check out. So the file is right here, avast.mp4. Let's go ahead and check it. Welcome to PC Mac. Today we are talking about how we can get the Avast antivirus free for 1 year. So let's do it. Before we start, I would like you to go ahead and click on the subscribe button. It's free and you can just go ahead and click on the bell icon for my latest videos. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google Chrome and open the Avast website by typing Avast. So you can easily see the difference between the volume levels and how good the video is by using this software. So you can go ahead and use this software to create your videos, and you can change the resolution from here as well, or you can go ahead and make a 4K video. Just need to select the resolution, increase the resolution, and you can easily do that. You can change the aspect ratio from here, or you can choose the custom formats from here like 720 1080. Let me just move it a little bit here so you can see that. It's also here 1080 50 frames, 50 frames, 60 frames, 720 60 frames. You can make your video from here, or you can just go ahead and do the HDV 1080 25 frames, 30 frames, 60 frames. So it have all the options. You can select directly from here and create your own YouTube files, edit them, export them to YouTube, and you can create new projects from here. So let me just close it. So guys, that's it from my end. If you like my video, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit the like button as well. If you have any questions, you have the comment section. Please write in the comment box. I'll try to reply them with the proper answer that you're looking for. And thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.